Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English and feel nervous about ordering food in a restaurant, you're not alone. Many adults can read English, many adults can understand English, but when it's time to speak, especially in a restaurant, everything suddenly feels difficult. Today's story is about ordering food in English for the first time. You'll learn useful restaurant vocabulary, common expressions, and simple sentences, all through a calm, realistic story. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Maria stood outside a small restaurant on a quiet street. The sign said open, and through the window, she could see people eating, talking, and smiling. Maria had just moved to this country 2 months ago. Her English was not perfect, but she was trying. Today, she decided to do something brave. She decided to order food in English for the first time. As she opened the door, a warm smell of food filled the air. A friendly voice said, "Hello. Welcome." A server, that's a person who brings food in a restaurant, smiled at her. "Table for one?" the server asked. Maria paused for half a second, then nodded. "Yes, please." The server showed her to a small table near the window. "Here's the menu," he said. "I'll be back in a few minutes." Maria looked at the menu carefully. There were appetizers, main courses, and desserts. She read slowly, translating some words in her head. She whispered to herself, "Okay. I can do this." A few minutes later, the server returned. "Are you ready to order?" he asked. Maria felt her heart beat faster. But she remembered a simple sentence she had practiced. "Yes," she said. "I'd like the chicken soup, please." "Great choice," the server replied. "Would you like that as an appetizer or a main course?" Maria didn't understand immediately. So she did something very important. "I'm sorry," she said politely. "Can you repeat that, please?" The server smiled again. "Of course. Do you want the soup before your meal, or as your main dish?" "Oh," Maria said, relieved. "As an appetizer, please." "Perfect. And what would you like to drink?" "I'd like a glass of water, please." "Still or sparkling?" the server asked. Maria hesitated, then asked, "What does sparkling mean?" "It means water with bubbles," he explained. "Oh," she smiled. "Still water, please." The server wrote everything down. "Anything else?" Maria looked at the menu again. "Yes," she said slowly. "For the main course, I'll have the grilled fish." "And how would you like that cooked?" he asked. Maria didn't know the answer, but she stayed calm. "Well done," she said, hoping it was correct. "Excellent," the server said. "I'll bring your food shortly." When the food arrived, it looked delicious. The server asked, "Is everything okay with your meal?" "Yes," Maria answered confidently. "Everything is great. Thank you." After she finished eating, the server returned. "Would you like dessert?" he asked. Maria smiled. "Not today, thank you." "All right. I'll bring the bill." When the bill arrived, Maria checked it carefully. "Can I pay by card?" she asked. "Of course." She paid, stood up, and put on her coat. "Thank you," she said. "Have a nice day." "You too," the server replied. As Maria walked outside, she felt proud. She didn't speak perfect English. But she communicated, she asked questions, and she ordered food in English. And that was a big success. If you noticed, Maria didn't use difficult English. She used simple sentences, polite questions, and restaurant vocabulary, and that was enough. Remember, you don't need perfect English to order food. You just need confidence and a few useful phrases. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next story.